Go ahead and saute your garlic, onions, and herbs. Then add in your ground beef or ground lamb is traditional. I cook that way down, and then I add some A1 sauce. That's going to help get the fons on the bottom, get it nice and caramelized. You can see the fons on the bottom there. You're going to deglaze with some red wine or some beer if you have it lying around. Then you're going to vigorously scrape that bottom and get all those caramelized bits off the bottom of the pan. Throw in the peas and carrots still frozen so it'll stop the cooking. Place the meat in the bottom of a casserole dish and then put your mashed potatoes on top. I like to use leftovers for this. After that, I'm gonna just sprinkle some shredded Parmesan cheese on top and bake until golden brown at 425.